Hello everyone, welcome to Freenote. Today I'll be talking about what it is. I'll do a quick review of people's opinions. Freenote is a note-taking tool only available for Apple devices, Mac, iPad and iPhone. Okay? Well, it has about 7 million users and basically allows us to take notes. It's compatible with stylus input. Let's look at its features. It's free, and here it shows how we can take notes, even draw. It has text detection, PDF annotation, and split screen for multiple notes. It offers various templates and dark mode. Well, Freenote lets you experience true paperless learning, enjoying writing while boosting your study efficiency. Basically, it's like Canva, which is trending now, right? But instead of a page, it's a huge canvas. It has a 4.7 out of 5 rating from 2,600 reviews. Again, it's free. Here's a review. Awesome! Better than any paid app. The best? Never make it paid. Maybe €2 a year, but it's the best in the world. So we can see it's a really good tool. I've been reading lots of reviews and seeing many people use it. Sadly, I can't show you the app inside, but I can assure you it's a great tool. So definitely check it out, you won't regret it. That's all, hope you enjoyed it and see you in future videos.